Dr. Zharlah Gulmatico-Flores, a board-certified dermatologist by the Philippine Dermatological Society. I am also a professor from the Department of Biochemistry in College of Medicine. So for this video, I am tasked to talk about basic skincare routines. So the formula for having a very good skin is getting enough sleep, eating the fruits and vegetables, drinking plenty of water, and having the basic skincare routine. So no matter how young or old you may be, it is never too late or too early to have a basic skincare. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tips and tricks to basic skincare. So before starting with any skincare routine, you should get to know your skin. Understanding your skin is very, very important. If you don't know your skin type, you can compromise your skin. It can trigger irritation, it can cause allergy, and worst, breakouts. The most common skin types are acne-prone, dry, sensitive, and oily skin. It is also important to note that you can have more than one type, and as you age and as the weather changes, your skin type can also change. In any skincare routine, you have to be very gentle with your skin. You have to avoid strong soaps as it may strip off the oils from your skin. You have to choose mild cleanser. Don't overwash your face. Limit it to 2 to 3 times a day because overwashing can cause irritation and dryness of your skin. After bathing or washing of your face or your skin, you have to pat it dry with towel. Don't have to rub it, as rubbing can cause friction and friction can cause irritation later on. Always hydrate your skin. No matter what your skin type is, you need to moisturize it. If you have a very dry skin, you may use a moisturizer in cream form. If you have an oily skin or acne-prone skin, you may use a moisturizer in a gel form. Protect your skin from the sun. The most important way and the most important thing in taking care of your skin is to protect it from the sun. Cumulative exposure to sun UV rays can cause age spots, wrinkles, and worse, skin cancer. It is best to use sunblock with an SPF of 30 and above, and you have to apply it at least 15 to 20 minutes prior to sun exposure. Most importantly, you have to cut out vices like smoking and alcoholic beverage drinking. Since smoking damages elastin and collagen, these are proteins underneath the skin which makes your skin tight and elastic. Smoking damages this protein. It can cause premature aging and contributes to the formation of wrinkles. I hope with these few tips, I have helped you and encouraged you to start your basic skincare routine. That is, cleansing, moisturizing, and protecting. Always remember that achieving a flawless and healthy skin does not happen overnight. It takes years of perseverance to achieve it. Have a good day, everyone.